Hello, my name is Carlos Irvan, and this is a welcoming video for the Google Project Management course. Um, so first of all, welcome. I'm really excited to start teaching this course again. We just finished the cohort one. We just finished in May, and we will start on June 21st, the next cohort. And since this is the second one, it's going to hopefully be much better based on all the learnings of cohort one. So why is it that you're taking this course? You're taking this course to get this, what you're seeing right now in the screen. And what you're seeing in the screen is the certification of the 6 courses. The foundations of project management, initiation, so how to initiate a project, how to plan a project, how to execute and manage a project, and then agile or Scrum, which is the new methodology or relatively new methodology that is being implemented now, not only in tech, but in basically across many industries. For example, Sephora is moving to agile. And last but not least, the custom project, where you're actually going to apply all of these learnings. So, so this is to give you a little guidance of what to do on the first day of class. So the first thing that you're gonna do is when you join on Blackboard. So on Tuesday, okay, on Tuesday you will have this show in your Blackboard. And basically what this is the link to your course. So you're going to click on the link to your course, and it says IDEA because this course is given by the IDEA Center. Okay? Okay, now I'm going to put it in the student view. So this is for those of you who have never used Blackboard. Blackboard is just a platform to put everything in an organized manner. So basically this is the home page. If there is any announcements, you'll see them over here. So in the announcements, I already put something. I put the information for the Zoom class. Now, this is only in case you're having problems opening the link that I'm going to show you right now. So the link that you should go to, so this is in the announcements, but I have it here anyway. Here where it says Zoom Virtual Classroom, this is where you're going to click on the first day of class, which is on Tuesday the 21st, starting at 6. I recommend that you join a little early just to make sure that everything is working properly. If it asks you for, so you're going to click here, join. If it asks you for a password, just click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So this is where you're going to go. Okay, so I'm going to close this. That's what I was trying to avoid. I didn't want it to go all the way to the, but well, that's good. At least you see the shell again. So again, it's IDEA 600. This is the name or the course number. So you're going to join in the Zoom virtual classroom. The great news is that every class is going to be recorded. Okay. Now keep in mind that this is a 2-hour class. So it's not going to be uploaded like right away. It probably take a couple hours to upload, but you have all the class recordings. Then here is some number in case you're having problems with Zoom. Then you have a class calendar, which will go over the first day of class, but just so that you know, you already have it here. So basically it shows you know, what we cover each day of class. So you have it right here. And then it has an asterisk when we'll have in person. Now remember, in person doesn't mean that we won't have it in Zoom. So if you're not able to attend in person, don't worry about it. We'll talk more about that the first day of class. Okay, so you have your class calendar. Then you have here where you can meet your classmates. Right now it's not populated because it doesn't have all, you know, this is before the course starts. Then you have here meet your professor. So it has some information about my background. And then most importantly, the course content. So here you have the Coursera page, and the Coursera page will take you directly to this page. I had it open already, but I want to make sure that it works. Okay, so here is the Google PMP course. So don't worry about where to go because we're going to do all that the first day of class. But it's basically here. You go to My Courses. And then depending where you are, because this is an online platform, so if you're on course 1, you go to course 1. So you see there is 6 courses. Okay, what else? Then you have here something called class notes. So when we have our class, you do not need to take notes or pictures or anything. What you need to do is pay attention and participate, and you'll see how you're going to participate because you have here everything in your class notes. So my notes, my presentation is here. Okay, so you have it right here. So here it is. By the way, you can have it open as we go over it in class. Some people like to do that. So this is, you see, this has 151 slides because this is all of the slides for the foundations of project management, which is going to be our first 4 classes. And by the way, we're going to start right away. So first day of class, we're already going to do chapter 1. Then you're going to have also, one thing, in the class notes, what you notice is really a folder, because inside that folder, I'm going to add more things. I don't want to add them right now, but you are going to have some videos and some additional materials that I have. But for now, I don't want to put too much information. For now, just know the presentation we're going to do in class is right here. And I'm going to show you how to use Coursera the first day of class. So I'm not going to do that right now. I don't think we're going to have any case studies. So class notes, there is also going to be some videos. So what I like to do is, I noticed last semester that it was very difficult to try to teach somebody how to use something like Asana, which is one of the project management softwares that we have to use later on. What I did is you have a tutorial step by step on how to use Asana. That way you can go at your own pace. Just it's a YouTube video. I uploaded in YouTube, and you can just go step by step. You can rewind it, go forward and all that. So that's the videos are going. I like to do tutorial videos similar to the one that I'm doing right now. So I think that's it. I mean, you don't need to worry about grades or anything. The most important thing is how to join the first day of class. The other thing is I'm gonna ask you to take a picture. Well, actually, this is also going to be in the email that you're going to be receiving. Okay, you don't need to take a picture. I'm going to send this to you, okay, or you're actually going to receive this from Sissy, or you're going to receive an email. And basically, in case you are having problems joining Blackboard the first day of class, you can join directly to the class just by clicking on the link, and here is the information. You have the password, the meeting ID. Okay, so again, like we will learn in the project management methodology, you need to also manage risk. So there is always a risk that for some reason you don't have your Blackboard up and running. So as a contingency, you will have all the information to join directly in Zoom. All right, the other thing for Zoom, and I will talk about this the first day of class. I understand that sometimes connections are difficult to put a video. What I would like you to do is to at least upload a picture. It's difficult for me when I'm conducting class to do it in Zoom instead of in person because I don't see the people. but at the very least, having a picture. And I will show you. If you don't know how to put the picture in the profile in Zoom, I will show you when we have our Zoom session. It doesn't have to be starting the first day of class, but I would appreciate if at some point you add the picture. Okay, well, thank you very much. This is already 10 minutes long. I didn't want to make this longer than that. It's just a welcoming video. Welcome again. I'm very excited that you chose to join this class. And most importantly, the goal here is to complete it. So thanks again, and I'll see you next Tuesday.